Is your Mac running out of storage space? Don't panic. In this video, I will show some solutions that can help you free up space on your Mac. So, let's get started. Check and manage storage space. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner and go to System Settings. This option is available on the latest Mac operating systems, such as macOS Sequoia, macOS Sonoma, and macOS Ventura. For older versions, it appears as a system preference. Then, head to General and click the Storage section. Please wait for a moment to complete the spinning wheels. Now, move your mouse pointer over a color to check how much space each category uses. The light gray space on the volume shows up as free storage space. Under Recommendations, you can see Apple's built-in tools automatically, such as Store in iCloud, Optimize Storage, and Empty Trash. You can enable these recommendations to maintain storage space automatically. Now, scroll down and see storage categories such as Applications, Documents, etc. Review the files, documents, apps, or videos and delete them if no longer needed. For example, click on the I button next to Applications. Check which application takes up more space and select the Delete or Uninstall button. Also, click the Info button next to the Documents folder and check Large Files, Downloads, Unsupported Apps, and the File Browser. Click on Large Files and select Size. The large file will be listed. Select the file you want to remove and hit the Delete button. Also, check the other sections and free up storage space. That's it. Delete unused applications from Launchpad. Launch the Finder window and click on Applications. Right-click on a third-party app you no longer need to use and select Move to Trash. Enter your lock screen password to allow Finder to move app to trash. Then, empty the trash. That's it. Alternatively, open Launchpad from the dock. Now, press the Command key and hold your cursor on any app until it starts shaking. You may see the cross symbol on the app icon. So, click the cross icon and select Delete to proceed. That's it. Find large files in Finder. Launch Finder and press the Command F keys. Then, right-click on Kind and select Sort by Size. Now, check and calculate which files take up more space and delete them. You might find video recordings, backup files, or audio files. Select the large file and press Command Delete to delete the large file. That's it. Some users have reported that system data takes up a lot of space on their Macs. To fix it, we need to reduce the system file data. Note, system data stores files, caches, iOS backups, logs, time machine snapshots, and more, which may eat away at your storage. Check the system library. Launch the Finder and click on the Go menu at the top. Select the computer and select your drive. Then, click on the library. Make sure you are using List View. Hit the View menu and click on Show View Options. Then, check the checkbox next to Calculate All Sizes. If you have deleted any apps but their data remains, check your device library and delete them. You can also do the same thing to check user data. That's it. Follow the steps displayed on a video screen. Launch Finder, click on the Go menu, select Computer, select your drive, and Open Users. Hit the View menu and click on Show View Options. Then, check the checkbox next to Calculate All Sizes. Check and delete unwanted old files. That's it. Empty the Downloads and Trash. Open the Finder window and head to the Downloads section. Check if the old download files are available. Select them and press the Command plus Delete key to move the removed files to the trash. Launch the trash bin and hit the Empty button to delete the media files permanently. Clear browser cache and cookies. Launch the Safari browser on your Mac device. Then, head to the Safari menu at the top. Click on it and open Safari Settings. Then, go to the Privacy section and click on Manage Website Data. Please wait for your browser cache and cookies to appear. Then, click the Remove All button and confirm by clicking the Remove Now button and hit the Done button. Go to the Advanced tab and turn on Show Features for web developers. Afterward, go to the Develop menu at the top and click Empty Caches. If you're using the Chrome browser, delete browsing history, cookies, and site data. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.